Hello, beautiful magical beings. How are you all? I welcome you all, my magical beings, Aquarius, to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is your bonus love messages for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, I hope it help you out in some manner. It will resonate with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because this is the bonus love messages. This is the general bonus love messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for commenting beautiful, lovely messages. Okay, Aquarius, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. And I really appreciate your messages, your comments, your things, whatever you tell me. I'm very glad. I'm here to deliver all important messages, whatever messages I'm getting from the divine, from the universe. I will try my level best to deliver all the important messages, whatever they are. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. The first message for you is new vision. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. And you can have a look on your main reading and your extended reading too. I have already uploaded that video for you. So new vision is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, be open. Receptivity is there, so you just have to be more open. What are the messages? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Creativity. I always tell you that you are full of creativity, Aquarius. Use your creativity. Okay. Then there is slowing down and there is rebel. Slowing down and then there is rebel. So there is something in which you may be feeling like you have to take, wow, you have to take action. Okay, I know, Aquarius, you are rebel with a cause. You do not fight without any cause, but you have to slow down right now. Okay, because slow and steady wins the race. You have to right now slow down. There is something in which you are thinking that I have to take action. I'm the rebel. I have to change this. But right now you have to slow down your speed. Use your creativity. There is a new vision here. Okay, sharing and totality. Okay, there is something in which you have to feel sharing. Okay, you have to share your thoughts, share your knowledge, or there is something which you need to share and feel total. Okay, any other thing? Again, the Tower card has come for you, Aquarius. This is the fourth card, fourth time I'm getting Tower moment for you. Something is shaking up your life, that is for sure. Okay, so that some new beginnings can happen. Some kind of unexpected changes are happening in your life. Divine is intervening in your situation, in your life. Okay, see, right? That's what I was telling you. Change is coming towards you, Aquarius. You are the master of your life. Okay, you can create whatever you want to. You're the creator, you're the master of your life. Okay, you need, some of your Aquarius are requiring healing. Okay, and the change is coming towards you. Change is coming towards you. Then there is past lives. There is someone from your past who is coming your way, with whom you have spent your past lives together. Okay, you both have spent so many lives together. There is someone from your past who is coming your way. Okay, the change is coming. We are the world card is there again. You completing some kind of cycle. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having the dream. There is something in which you are always feel like this is my dream, or maybe you are having some kind of message in your dream, Aquarius, about your divine counterpart, okay, about something. But this is someone from your past. You're getting more aware. Awareness is coming your way, okay? Awareness is coming your way. Any other message? Too many messages. Any other message? You need to keep your mind silent, Aquarius, because mind creates lot of things. Okay, there is some kind of politics going on behind your back, but you're getting aware about it. Don't condition yourself. Conditioning is there. Don't question your worth, Aquarius, okay? Because you know you are the creator of your life, okay? Don't question your condition. You are the creator, you are the master of your life. Whatever you think, whatever that is manifested. But I love your reading, today's reading, because there is change which is coming for you, Aquarius, and there is someone from your past. You both have spent past lives together, okay? You both know each other from many past lives, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And I'm today going to use the Mystic Wisdom deck. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. I love the craft which is made on this deck. Beautiful crafts for you, Aquarius. I love the artwork, whatever artwork are there for this from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages. Okay, just go with the flow. Bottom of the deck I'm having just go with the flow, Aquarius. Okay, there are 4 messages for you. Confrontation. Pick your battles wisely. Okay, confrontation is there. Pick your battles wisely. Resilience. Rise above tribulations. Okay, rise above tribulations. Originality. Brace your own trial. Beautiful message for you. Okay, then there is intuition. Trust your intuition, Aquarius. Trust your intuitions. I love the artwork. I love the photos, the pictures which are there in it. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Sun is there. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. I always tell you this, that you are full of intuitions. You are intuitive person. Your intuitions will guide you properly. You have to use your intuitions. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, help me out to deliver any other message. They're saying me to take me back. Okay, I'm taking it back. Angel, Chariot, Judgment. There is an angel, Aquarius, who is protecting you. Okay, so your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. There is an angels. There are angels who are protecting you. They are guiding you. You are safe, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Then there is Chariot. Charge ahead magnificently with the confidence. Okay, stay strong and focused. Move in a forward direction, Aquarius. There is some kind of judgment, and then there is death here. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. A time of natural transition and transformation. Transformation is taking place. Death is all about getting rebirth. Something is ending so that some new beginnings can happen. So you're getting transformed, Aquarius. Then there is luck and there is lovers. There are 2 paths ahead. Be true to yourself, and you are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead. You do not have to worry at all, Aquarius. The luck is on your side. Then there is lovers here. Your divine counterpart is here. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the Animal Tarot deck. Let me see that. Okay. What are the messages? 1 minute. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay. What are the messages? Owl spirit, I was saying, seeing while shuffling. Okay, let me see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having grasshopper spirit. Take a leap of faith. Again, the chariot energy, Aquarius. You need to take a leap of faith. Okay. The first message from this deck is elephant spirit. Learn from your past. Right. That's very beautiful and important, that you have to learn from your past. Learn from the past mistakes. Learn from the past events. What has happened. Dolphin spirit. This and that are true. This and that are true. Then there is moth spirit. Surrender now. Okay, you need to surrender right now to the divine, to the universe. Trust them. Then there is crab beetle spirit. Magic works through you. Beautiful message for you. Magic works through you. Then there is wombat spirit. Be at home. Okay, be at home. Then there is a cow spirit. The miracles are endless. And that's right, the miracles are endless. Any other message? This message I was seeing while shuffling too. Okay, Armandillo spirit. Set healthy boundaries. You need to set healthy boundaries around yourself, Aquarius. Okay, set healthy boundaries. Then there is dove spirit. Be peace. Be peace. Then there is warp spirit. Sometimes life stinks. This was the message I was seeing while shuffling. Then there is bad spirit. A rebirth is a assured. Okay, something is ending in your life so that some new beginnings can happen. Thank you so much, animal spirit message deck, so that I can give important messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful, lovely messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Moonology deck. Work through your fears, Aquarius. You need to work through your fears. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out. Deliver the messages. Too many messages. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages? Again, this message has come. Work through your fears, Aquarius. You need to work through your fears. It's an important message. Okay. Same messages has come. I did not took these cards. Okay, so it's okay. You are very close to achieving your goal, Aquarius. There is something in which you are going to achieve your goal. You are very close to achieving your goal. Okay. Then there is, it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Okay. It's time to release negativity. If you are having any kind of negativity, release it. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Okay. Look at the bigger picture, Aquarius. A time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo. Then there is have faith in your dreams. Okay, have faith, have trust in your dreams, Aquarius. There is work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. Important message for you, Aquarius. Excuse me. new moon in Scorpio. Work through your fears, Aquarius. You have to work through your fears. You have to release any kind of negativity around you. Okay, there is a message, an important message for you, Aquarius. Then there is, don't let your past hold you back. Very important message, that don't let your past hold you back. Whatever has happened, has passed. Just learn from your mistakes, just learn from your past and move in a forward direction. The energy is gaining momentum. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum is the message for you. Conclusions are within reach. Okay, then there is the end of a tough cycle approaches. There is some kind of tough cycle which is going to end. Okay, full moon in Capricorn, there is some kind of tough cycle which is going on in your life, but that tough cycle is going to end now. Then there is show the world real you. Show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Beautiful messages, Aquarius. So the signs which you may be dealing with, I can say that maybe these are the signs which you may be dealing with, are Scorpio, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio and Aquarius. Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo and Aquarius. Strong Scorpio, I can see that. Okay, so these are the messages from Moonology deck. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Rebirth, Aquarius, rebirth is going to happen for you. That's beautiful. As you all know that on tomorrow, new beginnings, completion, there is tomorrow 21st December. It is very big day. Okay, this is very big day because there are two planets which are getting aligned. Okay, so it is very big day. Let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out. Effort is the first message for you. Then there is self-discipline. Okay. Adventure. Adventure is coming for you, my lovely Aquarius. Let me see. Communication is coming your way. Okay, in your main reading too, I was getting communication, 8 of Wands energy. Lots of communication is coming your way. Sorry for the noises in the background. Okay, let me see more messages. Love. Love is coming your way, Aquarius. Okay. Individuality and change. Very important, Aquarius. Change is coming for you. That is for sure. Your life is going to change in a better way. Personal growth is happening and there is teaching and learning. Some of you Aquarius can be teachers, can be spiritual teachers, healers. Okay, you can be teaching and you can be learning. And personal growth is going to happen for you. Use your creativity, Aquarius. Use your creativity. Creativity message is there for you. Any other message? You need to keep right now patience. Okay. Then there is compassion. There is spirituality. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having happy ending. There is something in which you're getting happy ending. Any other message? Okay, enough of it. Health, perseverance and forgiveness. Beautiful messages for you. You need to take care of your health. Okay, there is something in which you can forgive anyone. Forgiveness is there and perseverance message is there. So these are the messages from this deck. And the numbers which can be important for you are There is slot of 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 is an important number for you, Aquarius. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5 and 7. That can be an important number for you, okay? So thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from energy oracle deck. Let's add victory. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Journey, Aquarius, you starting new kind of journey, new chapter of your life, and very beautiful. This is the new age of Aquarius, which is going to start from tomorrow, 21 December 2020. I don't know the exact date, but whatever I get information, that is from tomorrow. This is the very big important day. Right now you just have to rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. Okay, four of swords energy. Rest and rejuvenate yourself. Door to value is getting open for you. Abundance is coming your way. Okay, prosperity, abundance is coming your way. Beautiful. Door to personal healing and happiness is opening up. Beautiful message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having broken heart. Maybe in the past you are broken heart, but now the things are getting changed for you, Aquarius. Door to heal, personal healing and happiness, it is opening for you. Any other message? Wow, what else you want? Door to spirit is opening. Door to personal happiness is opening, and door to value is opening. Caring connection is coming towards you. I love this card. Some kind of caring connection is coming your way. Okay, Aquarius, caring connection is coming your way. Any other message? Wow. You need to keep your patience right now, Aquarius, because there is second chakra, Archangel Ariel, which is opening up. Beautiful. And there is a woman holding a heart. Gender is not specific here, but this is your yin and yang, your twin flame. Okay, this is someone who is your twin flame. Okay, there is someone who wants to offer you heart. A woman is offering a heart to you, and this is your yin and yang, your twin flame. Okay, your Shiv and Shakti. In India I can say that there is Shiv and Shakti. Okay, yin and yang is there, the twin flame, the soulmate, the life partner is here. Caring connection and yin and yang. Beautiful message, beautiful message. I love the message for you. Any other message? Healer of the ages. Healing is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, healing is coming towards you. There is some kind of storm warning is here, but do not worry, Aquarius. Okay, maybe you're feeling like an anxiety. Okay, there is some kind of storm of warning, but don't feel like you're feeling like an anxiety, but do not worry at all. Okay, I'm saying that because beautiful messages I can say I'm having right now here, that there is door to value, door to personal healing and happiness, and door to spirit is opening up. 3 beautiful messages for you. Okay, then there is healer of ages, and you have to rest and rejuvenate yourself. There is someone who is offering you their heart, and this is the caring connection is offering you yin and yang, and the woman holding a heart. Beautiful message for you. You need to keep your patience right now. Just that's it. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Thank you so much Energy Oracle deck for giving the beautiful messages. Okay, compassion I can see right now. Okay, let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the message. Forgiveness, Aquarius. Forgiveness is very important. Empowerment. What are the messages? Manifestation is there. What are the messages? Animals, I was seeing it. Career, okay. Lighten your load. Any other message? Clarity. You're getting some kind of clarity, Aquarius. You're getting your commitment. You're getting clarity in your relationship. Maybe you're getting your clarity in getting your commitment. You have to lighten your load. 10 of Wands energy. Release any loads which you are getting. Okay, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having a compassion and prosperity is the message. You have to forgive yourself and forgive others, Aquarius, who have hurt you in the past. Forgiveness message is there. You're getting more empowered than before. Empowerment is there for you. Okay, you're becoming more wise, more wisdom, more empowered than before. Okay, then there is freedom. You're getting, okay, the freedom message is there. You're getting your freedom back. Then there is manifestation. You are manifesting something, Aquarius. Your manifestation is coming true. Okay, the magician is here again for you. You're getting your career beautiful. Can you see there's lots of life? You're getting good opportunities in your career. Maybe there is there are some messages related to animals. Okay, so take care of animals, Aquarius, if they are around you. Okay, animals message is there. Then there is lighten your load. Okay, Aquarius, release all loads, with whatever loads, burdens you are carrying right now on your back, because you're getting your clarity. You're getting your clarity. Okay, there is commitment and there is prosperity. Beautiful messages for you. Okay, your commitment is coming true, Aquarius. You're getting your commitment. You're getting your prosperity. You need to release any burdens if you are carrying it. Thank you so much, spellcasting deck, for giving the beautiful messages for you. You need to trust. Okay, let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Healing message I was seeing. Okay, let me see what are the messages. Release, Aquarius. Release if there is any kind of negativity, if there is any burden you are carrying on, because there is some kind of truth which is coming your way. Your third eye is getting open. You're getting your clarity. You're getting your truth. There is some kind of truth which you're getting to know. You are protected, Aquarius. Okay, protection is there. You do not have to worry at all. You are protected. Compassion and balance. Balance yourself, Aquarius. Balance your both sides, the shadow self, the light self. Balance yourself. Then there is compassion. Okay, any other message? Too many messages. Abundance is coming your way, Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. Harmony. Bottom of the deck, I'm having harmony. Okay. These were the 4 messages I was getting for you. Beautiful message. Beauty is the message for you. Then there is guardian angel. And there is intuition and power. There is a guardian angel, again a message that they are protecting you, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, you're getting your power back. You're getting more powerful than before. Trust your intuition, okay? Power and intuition. You're getting more intuitive than before. So use your intuitions, Aquarius. Use your intuitions, use your powers. Let me add, thank you so much, Vintage Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from self-care love. Let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Okay. Again, the same messages is there, Aquarius. Clearing. You have to clear your past hurts, Aquarius. Clear the clutter. When in doubt, throw it out. Okay. Clear your vibes, clear your energy, Aquarius. Release any negativity if you are carrying out. Release it. Okay. Why I'm saying it, clearing and release both are here. Okay. Release any negativity. Have a good cry. Okay. Grief is a doorway to your deepest self. So release if you're carrying any burdens, loads, okay, on yourself, and clear your energy. Have courage. Okay. Have courage. Have gratitude. Beautiful message. Take a leap of faith. Your courage will see you through. And say thank you. Experience the joy of acknowledging others. Beautiful message. You need to keep your courage with you, Aquarius, and say gratitude. We have an attitude of gratitude. There is reflect. Keep your eyes open. Joy lives in small places. Okay. Then there is a choice here. Reconsider a commitment. You have a right to change your mind. Maybe there is a choice you have to make right now, Aquarius. Okay. So make a right choice. Reconsider a commitment. Then there is power here. Own your power. Every storm brings a fresh new beginning. Beautiful message. Why I'm saying it? There is an opportunity here. Release your ties to the past. When you let go of the old, you make the room for the new opportunities, new things. So opportunity is coming for you, Aquarius. These are the messages from the self-care cards. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages? Love is your energy from your guides. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me what are the messages to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Any other message? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having release toxic relationships. Aquarius, if you are still in a toxic relationship, release as soon as possible. Okay. Let go of your ego and practice moderation. Try to eat healthy as much as you can, and you have to let go of your ego. Learn from your mistakes, Aquarius. You are never alone. Your guides want to tell you that you are never alone. Okay, Aquarius, don't feel that you are alone. You are never alone. And you just have to learn from your mistakes. Whatever mistakes you have committed in your life, just learn from them. You have to lead by example. Okay, lead by example and appreciate your talents. You have talents, Aquarius. You are full of talents. You just have to appreciate your talents. Okay. And beautiful message, trust your intuitions. Trust your intuition. Beautiful message for you. Trust your intuition. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe to my lovely Aquarius? Let me see. What are the messages? Love does not have to mean near. Some are better loved at a distance, Aquarius. Okay, besides, love really does not know the difference. So, for a while, and that's okay. Okay, so love does not have to be mean near, is a message for you. If they once love you, they still do love you, Aquarius. That's the message for you from the universe. Okay, whether or not it was obvious, whether or not it lasted, and whether or not you were loved back, it changed everything. Actually, you are always loved back. Okay, thanks for every single time you ever fell in love. Okay, Aquarius, beautiful message for you. All there is to love has been there all along. When you begin to find love in people and places where you have not found it before, it is always because you have grown, Aquarius. And okay, beautiful message for you. You have more options than you realize. Okay, very important message that you have more options than you realize. It is sure, it is sure hard to get really angry at someone when you think of all the reasons you love them. Okay, so it is important, Aquarius, to know you that you have more options than you realize. Then there is beautiful message. Karma is on your side. If you could read all the minds that I read here, all the prayers that I hear, and beat all the hurts that I beat, I wonder if you have even believed how often you have thought of, talked of, and fallen in love with. It's payback time. Something is, you're getting your good karma back, Aquarius, because the karma is, you getting your karma back. Okay, you're getting your good karma back, and karma is on your side. Beautiful loving message, I got it for you, and I love this message. So these were the bonus love messages for December 2020 for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of light, happiness to every single Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.